Today, I decided to learn how to customize a shoe. I've been seeing a lot of people on YouTube starting to do insane things with their shoes, and today, we're going to test my creativity skills in customizing shoes. This is the Valkyrie. She is one of the best artists to make custom shoes on Instagram that I know, and she's going to help me out throughout the challenge by answering some of the questions I have about customizing shoes. How do you make custom shoes?
Well, to start off, I use a deglazer to take off the shine that they put on shoes when they come with factory.
After an hour of talking with her, I finally have some sort of idea of the process on making custom shoes. So I started by planning out some ideas on what I should put in the shoes. It took me a while staring at these shoes to come up with the perfect design, but finally I decided to go on with Star Wars themed one. After that, I printed out some layout designs of the shoes I'm gonna be customizing to have some sort of idea on how I plan on painting it on the actual thing. After around an hour of sketching, I'm finally ready to transfer it on the shoe. To start painting the shoes, obviously, we need to have a paint and a paintbrush. So I started off by applying some tape on the sides of the shoe that I don't want to have paint on. At first, I was really nervous because this is actually my first time painting on the shoes, so I decided to take it slow and steady. At this point, I already finished the doodle background, so now I'm getting ready to draw the stormtrooper. I was really having a hard time painting, probably because of how soft the shoe is. So one thing Valkyrie told me to do is to put a bunch of things inside of the shoe so it can be more solid than before. This is coming along really well, so I'm so excited to finish the painting and see the final results. 12 hours in and it's finally done. But before I reveal the final product, since you guys keep on asking for more consistent and fun content, I just want to tell you guys that in the next following months I will be uploading and will be working my ass off on making these videos for you guys to watch. I've noticed how blessed I am to have such wonderful community like you guys. And so I will work hard to build and grow this community. But for now, we'll start from here. I have a bunch of videos listed and ready to be filmed and watched, so stay tuned for that. And now, after hours of painting, here are the results. I'm really happy with the results, especially since this is my first custom shoe ever. I'm not the biggest Star Wars fan, but this is really insane to look at. I'm really excited to create more in the future, so I hope you guys like this as well.